Did you know that NFT existence was since 2015? The technology was not so popular until people sold his first NFT project for $69 million. NFT become a trend virtually everyone wants to understand. It's pretty okay that you are also interested in knowing how NFTs are created and distributed in marketplaces. NFTs are unique items that you can't replace with something else. Look no further, as this video will show you just everything you need to know about NFT marketplaces, alongside a comprehensive NFT marketplace list, and you possibly get yours started in your NFT journey. NFT marketplace is quite important for listing your NFT and ensuring that it is easily accessible for trading. Non-fungible tokens traded on an NFT marketplace are different from fungible and titles that are similar to each other. So what is NFT marketplace? An NFT marketplace allow you to create, buy, and sell NFTs. They typically run smart contracts that give them access to blockchain on which NFTs are registered and assigned proof of ownership. You have to sign up on a marketplace before you do any NFT businesses. Registering gives you your own space and dashboard to do whatever you want. There are several marketplaces out there, including OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, Foundation, Atomic Market, Bakery Swap, and many more. While they have different structures and features, they basically make the same thing: the creation and trade of NFTs. Every NFT marketplace is built on a blockchain and requires the use of digital wallets for transactions. In fact, without a digital wallet, it is impossible to carry out NFT transactions. A digital wallet acts as an intermediary between blockchain and a marketplace. Here's how and why. First, to sign up in most marketplaces, you will be required to have a wallet address that you get from a digital wallet. Second, blockchain charges a kind of a fee for every NFT transactions, known as a gas fee. You will need a funded wallet to pay these fees and complete your NFT transactions, including minting, buying, selling, or even burning NFTs. Third, digital wallets allow you to assign signatures and register ownership for an NFT you wish to mint. Fourth, with digital wallets, it is faster and easier to hold and spend your token and receive funds earned from NFT marketplaces. NFT marketplaces are just an excellent way to begin your NFT journey. You can get started with open NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. Whatever you choose, the goals remain the same: explore, mint, buy, and sell, and make the most of the NFT technology. Okay guys, that's all from me. If you want to know more about cryptocurrencies and NFTs, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos like this. See you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.